The TMG Industrial GWC6 tow-behind wood chipper is powered by a 429 cubic centimeter, 14 horsepower Kohler engine, featuring overhead valves, cast iron cylinder liners, and an oil sentry auto shutoff. The TMG-GWC6 is designed with a dual belt drive system mated to a 12-inch wide, double-edge, reversible cutting blade, making quick work of material up to 6 inches in diameter. The TMG-GWC6 features an easy access emergency stop button, hinged hopper, 360-degree swiveling discharge chute, 2-inch tow hitch, 16-inch DOT-approved off-road tires, and a 36-inch wide axle. This product is backed with a 1-year manufacturer warranty, customer support, and spare parts. Headquartered in Vancouver, British Columbia, we are proud to provide free shipping to most locations in Canada and the USA Lower 48. TMG Industrial. Here to help you get work done.